day because it was just perfect to stay here, Allison.
It was so nice. Highs in the 70s. Look at this, 73 degrees is high, so 16 degrees above the average for this time of year. Still in those mid 60s as we head into your night, but 7 degrees warmer than what we were seeing this time yesterday in Bakersfield, 2 degrees warmer in Tehachapi. So we're talking about that chance of rain early tomorrow. We see it making its way down into central California today. Now it looks to be very strong overnight, and then look, it just falls apart by the time it hits Bakersfield. So we're looking at right around 2-3 a.m. we're going to see some light rain in Bakersfield, and then as we head through those early hours tomorrow, looking at 6:30 by the time you're getting up, still looking at just a few showers across the valley. We're also seeing that in the mountains as well. Now we're going to be just looking at a few hundredths of an inch, definitely less than a tenth of an inch of rain, and that's when we're seeing in those early morning hours. We're looking at those strong winds, so 30-mile-per-hour winds up in the Kern River Valley, 24 in Tehachapi, and 13 down in Fraser Park as well at the base of the Grapevine. But as we do head into those overnight hours tomorrow, we're going to see below freezing temperatures. So that means that we could see some slippery roads, possible black ice. So just be careful when you are driving out tomorrow. And then we're looking at all those breezy conditions, keeping our air pretty good. So we're going to be in that moderate range still, an AQI of 64, and there is no restrictions, or yes, but burning is still discouraged for us. So today we saw a high of 73, tomorrow 58, so definitely cooling down as we head into your weekend. We're seeing those breezy conditions continue Friday, Saturday, but then we're looking at that chance of fog starting Sunday through Tuesday, and then high pressure is building, so we're going to be back up to those mid to high 60s starting middle of next week. Kern River Valley tomorrow dropping down to 49 degrees, staying in those low 50s as well as the breezy conditions continue, and then we're right back up to those mid 60s starting on Monday. Tehachapi and Fraser Park, like I said earlier, looking at those below freezing temperatures. So 28 as a low in Tehachapi, 21 in Fraser Park. So it's definitely going to be cool out there. So again, any of that rain could be turning into black ice, slippery conditions. So watch out on the road.
So the opposite of today.
Yes,
is what you're saying.
pretty much. Yeah, 73, 21.
Going from short sleeves to bundled up completely.
Yeah.
Wow. All right.